Now let us talk about the audio adjustment. Like if you have a video clip ready and you feel like that the volume adjustment is not proper in the video and you want to enhance the volume of that particular video clip, you can do so that in OpenShot video editor. How we can do that I'm going to show you. You just have to right click on that track. For example, I have this track 1. I have to right click on this and then go to properties. A new pane open up on the left side showing several options. Ignore all and just go to this volume track. You can see it's 1. The volume is 1, so this is the maximum, but you can increase it manually. How you can do that? You just have to enter any number. Say for example 5. So I have entered 5 in this. So now what is the volume? You can see it's 5, right? So when a very good morning everyone. In this video I'll be discussing with you the concept of flip class. Yeah. So before moving to the concept, I'll be discussing with you the concept. Okay, now coming back to another important aspect is this symbol. You can see that volume is decreasing as the track progresses. So what does this symbol signifies? When we have this kind of a sandwich kind of a symbol, it signifies that volume is set in a decreasing order, that in the beginning it is at maximum and as the track progresses it goes to a lower volume. So how you can change that? You can click on it. Yes, it tells you Bezier, linear or constant. So we have to click to constant. Now when we are going to check it off, we'll find that the volume is constant throughout the clip. With this blue indicator we can move to our timeline and we can find that it is constant throughout the clip, right? And it is showing 2 because I had earlier done this setting and I had changed the volume from this point onward. So okay, this is another thing you can do. Like if you feel like increasing the volume in the beginning of the video and after say 30 seconds you feel like the volume should be up to the value of 2. So what you have to do, just put your this blue cursor over here, go to the volume and enter this value 2.0. So now what happened, that as this audio progresses, you'll find that before up to this part the audio or the volume is 5 and after this part it is 2. This is how you can change your audio settings in different part of your video. And if you change this slider to linear, so what will happen, that from the very beginning when you are going to play your video, you'll find that the volume is 5 and up to this 30-second mark it is decreasing. Yeah, it is decreasing, and when you come to 30 seconds it's total up to 2, and then for rest of the video it is 2 by default. So this is what you can change with the help of this symbol. You just have to right click and you can select Bezier, linear or constant, whatever you feel like. Other than that, there is another option to change the audio settings. What you have to do, you just have to right click on this track and you have to be very careful of this blue cursor, okay, this blue pointer where it is. So if you want to change the audio setting for whole track, just keep it at the beginning, then right click and then you will find this volume. Here you can reset it, or you have options to increase the level up to 100% at the start of the clip, at the end of the clip, or add entire clip to level 0. But keep one thing in mind, this level 100% is actually 1.00, which you find by default. So if you want to increase your volume from 1 to any number, say 2, 3 or 4 or 5, so this is the only method you are going to do that. Thank you.